Welcome guys, this is Dave. Welcome to DZone. Today I'm going to unwrap one video 3 into 3 queue I ordered through Flipkart. Let's see how it works and how smooth it is. So this package looks very compact, very good, nice packing. And if you come across this inside part, let's see what is there. And main this is the main item which I'm going to explain a little bit about this. And this is the manual. This, let's see, this manual gives so many tricks how we can solve. See, as you can see how we can solve these tricks. They have all formatted the formula of this description. And it is having all the languages like Chinese, English, Japanese, and all these things is there. So we can go step by step to complete this all these queues in quick time. And this is our 3 into 3 queue, which looks very compact and having some elastic. It is having elastic mode, and it doesn't seems to be like normal things, and it is very smooth. You can remove we can rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise, both sides is running very quickly. No congestion in between this. So it looks like very good and handy product in this cheap price, which is approx 130 rupees. And in the same time we can quickly complete all these modes. So this is I think a very good product in this way. If you like my video, please do like and comments and subscribe. Thank you.